Hey everybody, all around the world, Barbara Campbell, independent digital music artist, creator, producer. And for the holidays, I wanted to tune in and wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to all my friends. Happy Thanksgiving to all my friends. Happy Thanksgiving to my fans. Happy Thanksgiving to all my music supporters. Happy Thanksgiving to my mentors. Happy Thanksgiving to my advisor. Happy Thanksgiving to my music director. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Family and friends, happy Thanksgiving. Thank you so much. I'm so thankful, and I'm thankful to having you in my life. Bye-bye. Till then, you count, you matter. Happy Thanksgiving to Brooklyn, New York. Crown Heights. Till then, stay in Brooklyn. You count, you matter. Bye-bye.